everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject code is 22633. Name of subject as Electrical Substation Practices, subject code 22633, semester 6. Today we have to discuss about 132 kV substation, the content of chapter number 5th. So first content is that a need of 132 kV by 33 kV substation. Then 132 kV substation required equipments as equipments and accessories, function and rating of the equipments such as power transformer, lightning arrestor, instrument transformer, current transformer and potential transformer, capacitor voltage transformer, that is known as CVT, capacitor voltage transformer, HT fuse, high terminal fuse, that is HT fuse, isolating switches, that is also known as the isolator, insulators, control and relay panel. Then station transformer, capacitor bank, battery and battery chargers, wave trap and wave drums, power line carrier communications, that is PLCC and circuit breaker. These all equipment used in 132 kV by 33 kV substation. As 132 kV is directly step down with the help of step down transformer, and 132 kV convert into the 33 kV with the help of step down transformer. After that we have to see the single line diagram of 132 kV by 33 kV substation. Then we have to see the earthings, equipment earthing and systems earthing, then steps potential, touch potential, mesh potential, transfer potential, earth mat and grid. Then we have to see the different tests as the routine test, preventive and breakdown maintenance, safety practices followed during the routine test and preventive, as well as the breakdown maintenance. Then next, firefighting equipment for the differential as used for the different situation in the substation. After that we have to see the non-contact types, that is the thermal sensor to locate and record the hotspot in the different substation. So these are the content of this chapter. The chapter name is that 132 kV substation. So first content as 132 kV convert into the 33 kV substation. Okay, so we have to see the step by steps. So first we have to see the need of 132 kV receiving substation. Why 132 kV substation are the required and which are the main reason behind that? So the power is generated at the generating station with the rating capacity of 6.6 kV or 11 kV, and this is the rating capacity of generating plant. For saving of the copper material of the conductor, the voltage is increased. That voltage is near about 132 kV at power station. In the generating station yard, the power is nothing but multiplication of voltage and current. If the same power is transmitted at higher level, then current in the line is less. Less the current, small in the cross-sectional area, that is the size of the conductor, which save the copper material, and less weight of the line, that also save the supporting structure as well as the cost of that copper material. So this is the main point regarding 132 kV substation. So material as the copper, the power is generated at the generating station with 6.6 kV or 11 kV. For saving the copper material of the conductor, the voltage is increased to 132 kV at power station in the generating station yard. That power is nothing but VI If the same power is transmitted at a higher level, then current in the line is less. Lesser the current, small in the cross-sectional area of the conductor, and which save the copper material and less weight of the line, save the supporting structure cost, etc. So there is a need of power substation at particular site to bring the power from 132 kV substation. The primary transmission line is to terminal at 132 kV receiving substation. That is also the need of 132 kV receiving substation. In the substation, the power transformer is used whose primary side is connected with 132 kV substation, and this voltage is stepped down to the 33 kV, or so found the secondary transmission line of 33 kV start the terminate at the substation, where it is further stepped down to 11 kV. So we have to see that generating station with the generating capacity of 6.6 kV or the 11 kV for saving the copper material, and the conductor of the voltage is increased near about 132 kV substation. That 132 kV are stepped down into 33 kV with the help of step down transformer. Further, it is also stepped down into 11 kV with another step down transformer. So this 11 kV is directly fed to the feeder. Then after that feeder, it gives to the distribution power plant. Then distribution is distribute the electricity for the commercial application, domestic application, as well as residential purpose, as the electricity are supplied from feeder to the consumer with the help of distribution power station. So the need is felt of 132 kV substation to bring the power and step down in the step of lower voltage. Finally, to reach the consumer at 440 volt with 3 phase and 230 volt single phase for the power and lighting purpose. So that 132 kV substation is stepped down with the help of the step down transformer and convert into the 33 kV substation. Further, it is also stepped down into the 11 kV with another step down transformer, and that 11 kV directly reach to the consumer at 440 volt with 3 phase and 230 volt with single phase for the power and lighting purpose as per requirement of the consumer. So that electricity are directly fed to the consumer with the help of the receiving of 132 kV substation. Such 132 kV substation are located near to the cities, and 11 kV lines go to the different load center in that cities. So this is the need of 132 kV substation, and the main purpose is that step down take place with the help of step down transformer, as 132 kV step down into 33 kV. Then further it is also step down into 11 kV, and then that 11 kV is directly fed to the feeder to the distribution substation. Then it distribute to consumer with the help of 440 volt with 3 phase supply and 230 volt with single phase supply as per requirement of the consumer. So this is the main point of need of the 132 kV substation as the receiving substation, and it is the main purpose to supply the electricity from generating station to the distribution station with the help of transmission line also. So the main point of that receiving substation is that which are the main components used in the power station. In that substation, it is having to the circuit breaker, relay, then different types of the transformer, potential transformer, current transformer, as well as the switch, HT fuse. Fuse are used for the protection purpose. That fuse are used for the protection purpose, and in case of the fault occur or in case of the short circuit, then fuse element melt and provide the protection to that substation and isolate the faulty parts with the help of circuit breaker as it received the command from the relay as relay signal is indicate. In case of the fault occur on that substation, then first alarm buzzer operate with the help of the relay and then these relay directly give command to the circuit breaker. Then circuit breaker is the device which isolate the fault and provide the protection to the power systems to avoid the major losses of the electrical appliance or electrical equipment which is used in 132 kV substation. Here step down transformer is essential parts of the power systems of 132 kV substation which convert 132 kV into 33 kV first, then further another step down transformer are the used which convert 33 kV into 11 kV. That 11 kV directly feed to the consumer as per requirement of the consumer. Then that 11 kV directly feed to the power line with 440 volt of 3-phase supply and 230 volt of single phase supply. Thank you students.